I'm so happy that finally it is happening, and with the partners that we really wanted to do this show with. Keti Ainamaje in different cities, different towns, and it was always our dream to partner with somebody like that. And also was a successful event, not only in Kampala and Gogo, but also in different towns and cities. Yeah, so we are really happy and looking forward to giving everybody a very good experience. And let me also point out that not only in Kampala, but also in the different towns and cities that we are going to, we want to make sure that we take a very good experience in terms of production, you know.
I want to thank the media. But you know, everything you've done, China we chintadde. So the media, this goes to my fans, especially the Nwagicians. I want to thank my fans for loving me. They've loved me so much that, you know, it doesn't matter what you say about me. Like, they've loved me regardless of what is said. And I promise them a good show. Like, you're not going to come for nothing. You're not going to regret. I'm going to give you a show on the 9th of September at Lugogo Cricket Oval. It's going to be a Winnie Nwagi fire concert. It's going to be the show you've always dreamt of.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.